HSGQ, keeping pace with the forefront of communications, has officially launched its full range of XGSPON products. With the acceleration of global digitalization, the 10 gigabit era has officially arrived. For specific needs, HSGQ has launched 1-port and 2-port XGS-PON OLTs. 1* port XGS-PON focuses on ultimate bandwidth and is designed specifically for high-end individual users. 2* port XGS-PON balances high performance and flexibility. With a 10G port ensuring core link output and a gigabit Ethernet port for connecting standard terminals, it's ideal for building a highly efficient home office. 4* port XGS-PON combo OLT is defined as an all-around hub. It integrates 4 XG-PON interfaces and 4 10G SFP+ uplinks, along with Type-C and USB intelligent management interfaces, achieving efficient collaboration from access to aggregation. Whether it's 4K, 8K video streaming, voice communication, or massive data transmission, this device provides zero latency service assurance, perfectly resolving network congestion caused by multiple devices operating concurrently. Targeting SMEs and commercial buildings, the 8-port XGS-PON series demonstrates superior coverage capabilities. It supports an ultra-high splitting ratio of 1 to 256, significantly increasing the user density per port. More importantly, based on combo PON technology, it achieves perfect compatibility with existing GPON architectures. For ultra-large-scale city access or large campus applications, the HSGQ 16-port XGS-PON OLT provides robust technical support. The device employs a dual main control unit and dual power supply redundancy design, ensuring 24/7 carrier-grade high reliability. Its high-through-tube architecture and highly flexible port configuration enable rapid deployment and large-scale service scheduling in complex environments. From desktop terminals to core data centers, from 1-port to 16 ports, HSGQ is committed to breaking down connectivity barriers. HSGQ helps make 10 gigabit broadband accessible globally.